Welcome to the forest. Let the busy world just fade. Yeah, you found the right place now. A mellow digital cascade. So come on in, we'll take our time. Find that peaceful state of mind. Welcome to the Airdrop Forest. Airdrop Forest.
What if I told you that your unused internet bandwidth could earn you free crypto? That's exactly what Grass is offering, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Grass airdrop, step by step. Stay until the end because I'll also share some tips to maximize your allocation. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Grass? Grass is a decentralized network built by Win Network that allows you to sell your unused internet bandwidth. Think of it this way. Every day, you only use a fraction of your internet connection. Grass lets you monetize that idle bandwidth by routing web scraping data through your connection in a secure and privacy-preserving way. In return, you earn Grass points, which are directly tied to the Grass token airdrop. The more bandwidth you share, the more points you accumulate, and the bigger your airdrop allocation. All right, let's get you set up. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Create an account. Head over to app.getgrass.io. You can use my referral link in the description below to get a bonus. Click Sign Up, enter your email address, create a password, and verify your email. Step 2. Download the Grass extension or desktop node. Next, you need to install the Grass node. You have two main options: the browser extension available for Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers, or the desktop application for a more stable connection. I personally recommend the desktop node because it runs more consistently in the background. Step 3. Connect and start earning. Once installed, log in with your credentials. You'll see the dashboard light up showing your connection status. If it says connected, congratulations. You're now earning Grass points passively. That's literally it. It runs in the background while you go about your day. Now let's talk about how the point system works. Grass operates on an epoch-based system. Each epoch is a defined time period during which your bandwidth contributions are tracked and rewarded. Your points depend on several factors: your uptime, meaning how long your node stays connected, the quality and stability of your internet connection, and whether you're using the browser extension or the desktop node. The desktop node generally earns more because of its reliability. You can check your accumulated points anytime on the Grass dashboard. Keep an eye on the leaderboard too. It gives you a sense of where you stand relative to other participants. Now for the part you've been waiting for, the airdrop. Grass has confirmed multiple rounds of airdrops for its community. The first airdrop, known as Airdrop 1, rewarded early participants based on their accumulated Grass points. The Grass token is live and has been listed on major exchanges. But here's the key insight. Future airdrop rounds are expected, meaning there's still an opportunity to participate and earn allocations. Your airdrop allocation is proportional to your total Grass points. So the equation is simple. More uptime equals more points, and more points equals a larger airdrop. Here are my top tips to maximize your Grass airdrop. First, run the desktop node 24/7 if possible. Use an old laptop or a mini PC. Uptime is everything. Second, use a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi drops can interrupt your node and cost you points. Third, refer friends. Grass has a referral program that gives you bonus points for every active user you bring in. Fourth, stay active in the community. Follow Grass on X, formerly Twitter, and join their Discord. They often announce bonus campaigns and multiplier events. And fifth, don't use VPNs or multiple accounts. Grass has strict anti-fraud measures, and you risk getting disqualified entirely. Now, a quick word of caution. As with any crypto project, there are risks involved. Token prices are volatile, project roadmaps can change, and past airdrop values don't guarantee future results. Never invest more time or resources than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. And that's it. You're now fully set up to earn from the Grass airdrop. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future airdrop guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.